Sand and aggregates are among the most consumed natural resources on Earth and are essential for construction, infrastructure and glass manufacturing. CDE is empowering aggregates processors to turn excavation waste into valuable resources and maximise material recovery from virgin sources, supporting a sustainable circular economy.
CDE provides wet processing solutions with applications across a wide range of materials within the natural processing and waste recycling sectors. The company is creating solutions that transform waste streams into in-spec sand and aggregates and currently have over 2,000 CDE projects installed around the world.
CDE's been around for over 30 years. We work across 5 strategic regions and 2 very focused markets, natural processing and recycled aggregates. And within those markets, we provide complex and customized wet processing solutions to add value to those materials, to take those materials, turn them into construction sand and aggregates and have them available for reuse back into the market.
Sand is an essential component of the infrastructure of daily life found in materials such as concrete, asphalt and glass. According to Darren, the diminishing supply of sand is creating a global problem for many sectors.
Sand is the second most consumed material in the world after water. And every month we're producing enough concrete to build a New York City. And we'll be doing that up until 2060. And sand has to be the fundamental aspect that builds that. So today, we have to source that sand more responsibly. We have to source it from a wider range of materials, and CDE can help do that. In terms of sustainability, the closer we can put sand and aggregates to its point of consumption, the more we can compress that transport network, the more we can reduce the carbon impact of that network, the more we're going to support that. So a recent example is a major project in Calgary, which saved approximately 30,000 tonnes of CO2 every single year. It's more than the entire business of CDE produces annually. The potential for carbon savings and positive sustainability impacts is huge.
David Kinloch is CDE Director of UK and Ireland, Australasia and Middle East and Africa. He explains why CDE has been solely focused on innovating and delivering wet processing solutions.
Wet processing is the most efficient way to process material. It allows you to clean the material, classify it by size and by density, along with then removing contamination within those materials. CDE are focusing our innovation on 3 main areas. This is number 1, looking at waste streams that have traditionally been classed as waste and never thought to be processed. So we're tackling these more difficult waste streams and diverting them from landfill. The second area is we are increasing the value of the output products to increase them further up the value chain, for example, getting them into concrete products. And the third area is to maximise the yield of the output products from the waste resource.
Every year, CDE equipment diverts over 30 million tonnes of construction demolition and excavation waste from landfill and transforms it into valuable construction materials, laying the foundations for the circular economy. CDE Solutions are supporting its customers to tackle the sand crisis a tonne at a time.
Sustainability plays a major part in the SRC group, with our construction business, our demolition business, our quarrying business, all taking the waste streams from all of our projects and recycling it and bringing it into high-end value products. SRC has been working in partnership with CDE to deliver our 12 projects over the last 12 years. Those projects vary from primary sands and gravels, recycling plants, silica sand processing and marine sand processing. We found CDE to be extremely efficient in coming up with good designs, cost-effective approaches and a fantastic working partnership. We've been able to grow the business, put plants in locations where we haven't originally had primary reserves. It has taken down the reliance on our primary mineral, meaning we can quarry and extend the lifespan of our quarries, and it offers the customers and the construction industry as a sustainable option. With primary materials, both crushed rock and sand and gravel, becoming ever more difficult to get planning consent for, we should be making the most of our waste streams, recycling and upusing into our added value products.